Hello students, welcome to Saras's classes. In this video, I am going to talk about demography and psychometrics. Demography and psychometrics. So, demography is actually the study of populations, especially with reference to size, density, fertility, mortality, growth, age distribution, migration, and vital statistics, and the integration of all these with social and economic conditions, Demographic statistics are actually the measures of characteristics of or changes to a population. Records of births, deaths, marriage, immigration and emigration, and a regular census of population provide information that is key to making sound decisions about the national policy. Now, national population statistics are usually collected by conducting a census and sample registration system, that is SRS. Now, we are going to talk about the applications of demography. What are some applications of demography? First is sex distribution and sex ratio. Then there is population by main age group and mean age. Also we have female population by main age group, female population by main age group and mean age. This similar method is for male population, that is male population by main age group and mean age. Age structure of population by life years or 5-year age groups. Age structure of population by life years or 5-year age groups. Another is age structure for female population by life years or 5-year age groups. This is similar for male, that is age structure for male population by life years or 5-year of age group. 5-year age group. Then we also have age composition, dependency ratio, aging index. age composition, dependence ratio, and aging index. Finally, there is distribution by race and ethnicity. Distribution by race and ethnicity. Now, for measuring population dynamics, diversities in demographic situation across countries and regions as well as within countries. Also, there are two driving forces behind these evolving demographic changes, biosocial phenomena. Those are births or fertility, deaths or mortality. Besides this, there is social phenomena, which are actually focused on internal and international migration. Well, now we will go to psychometrics. Let's see what's there in psychometrics. Let me add a page. Okay. So we'll talk about psychometrics. Psychometrics is a field of study concerned with theory and techniques of psychological measurement. As defined by the National Council on Measurement in Education, that is NCME, psychometrics refers to psychological measurement. It refers to psychological measurements. Generally, it refers to the field in psychology and education that is devoted to testing, measurement, assessment, and related activities. The field is concerned with the objective measurement of skill and knowledge, abilities, aptitudes, personality traits, and educational achievements. Some psychometric researchers focuses on the construction and validation of assessment instruments such as questionnaires, tests, writers' judgments, and personality tests. There are some desirable properties of psychological measures. Desirable properties of psychological measures such as interpretability of individuals and group scores, population norms. Let me add a page. Population norms. This is also known as typical scores. 3 will be validity, that is consistent accuracy. Then there is reliability, which is consistency. Finally, there is standardization, that is administration and scoring. Well, thank you for watching the video. Hope this helped you gaining a lot of knowledge about demography and psychometrics. For more videos, you can keep checking our channels. These videos will be helpful for your MSc entrances and to brush up your concepts. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos on these topics, you can subscribe our channel and stay tuned. Thank you.